Hey, do you want an awesome QR code for your website? Then on QR Tiger, you can make an awesome QR code and track your data. Let's have a look how it works.
Classic QR codes look boring and dull. At QR Tiger, you can create fully customizable QR codes that are eye-catching and can generate up to 70% more scans. You can track the data of your QR codes and see what brings the most leads in sales. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own custom QR code that can be edited and tracked in just 6 easy steps. Step number 1. Choose the type of QR solution you need for your campaign. Step number 2. Enter your data in the form fields. Step number 3. Choose the dynamic QR option, then click on the green Generate QR Code button. Step number 4. Now you can start to customize your QR code. Start by choosing your patterns. Then choose your eyes. Add your brand's logo. Set colors. Choose to use whether a single color or gradient. Lastly, choose your frame. Step number 5. Save your QR code design as a template so you can reuse your design for future QR codes. Step number 6. Now go ahead and click on the Done Editing Download button. Your QR code will automatically download, and you will be redirected to the Track Data page, where you can update your QR codes if needed and see the data. And that's how easy it is to create a QR code with QR Tiger. If you want to learn more about QR codes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and press that bell button down below to get the latest updates. Cheers!